Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. You have the Weverse app, Weverse Live Access, and an SRT or VTT subtitle file ready. Open Weverse and sign in, then tap the Weverse Live entry for the broadcast. Once in the Broadcast Manager, choose the video or live session you'll attach subtitles to. Make sure the file encoding is UTF-8 so characters display correctly. This avoids timing errors and ensures captions sync when sent to viewers. Now upload and sync the file. Go to Broadcast Settings and open the Captions or Subtitles section. Tap Upload, select your SRT or VTT, and the interface will show a timing preview. Use that to nudge start times or shift the whole file by seconds if speech leads or lags. Once the timestamps match, pick the language label so viewers can select it. If Weverse offers auto-sync, enable it to refine micro-timings automatically. Make sure to preview before saving. Finish by saving your caption settings and running a quick test broadcast or recorded clip to verify display and sync. If captions don't appear, first confirm the file is UTF-8 encoded. Uses SRT/VTT format and timestamps use proper HH, SS, MS notation, then re-upload. If permissions block uploading, ensure your account has host privileges or request the broadcast owner to add the file. When all looks good, go live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.